Sangrongsalo National University wa Khlaijakha Bhoomi Pujan Manjaka Hasani Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Tripura High Court ni Chief Justice Amarnath Gornok Khowai Tekobun Judge Stroke
Put our hands together. Dr. Manik Shaha, Honorable Chief Minister of our state, is lighting the lamp.
Ashalo Pulano Bhoomi Pujan Khlaimani Yagolo Kaisa Panda Sangrongsalo Abani Yagolo Risha Kandoi Panda Manjak Naina Rawai Rokno Lamjak Shokmani Yagolo Jati Kathan Musingai Pandana Ching Shawai Rakha Ashani Panda Okok Sanani Thangai Hasani Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Shaka Tripura National University Hakotoni Mungananglo University ni Bishingo Khopsangai Tripura National University no Hasta Hapang ni Phaising de Bebak Sobaso Khlaijakha ni Kobu Shaka
Give my thanks to all of you present over here. It is really, I am honored that I have also witnessed this occasion. When I came here and was trying to, because this groundbreaking ceremony, as you have mentioned, I tried to break the coconut. Then Justice Gore told that you should not, you are a doctor, you should not break. You have to repair it before you are breaking it. As a doctor, usually we do this kind of, we fix, this screws and all, plating and all. Anyway, everywhere there are some systems. I did not understand whether this kind of systems is existing here or not. In other places we break it. Anyway, in this groundbreaking ceremony, I broke the coconut. The foundation stone was laid by Her Excellency Srimati Draupadi Murmu, Honorable President of India, on 12th October 2022. That time also I came here and I have seen there are so many peoples who have extended their hands to start this memorable, I think, this National Law University. And today marks a historic milestone in the journey of legal education in Tripura, with the groundbreaking of the permanent campus of National Law University, Tripura, NLU Tripura. This place actually previously belonged to this technology TIT, Tripura, TIT. So from because I am in charge of the education department as well as law department also. So in that way, I am lucky that both the departments can help you out to make it this university. The establishment of NLU Tripura reflects our commitment to nurturing excellence in legal education, research and policy making. Here, I think we should not make only one academy law university only, but here the research, these things should be also carried out so that the status standard of the university also can be cropped up and people should know about this. So far this policy, this making is concerned, we are here, we are always will be helping you out. As one of the premier institutes of legal education, NLU Tripura will contribute significantly to producing skilled legal professionals, judges and policy makers.
Yang tekhaksa phaising Tripura High Court ni Chief Justice Shaka institution shukangai telangna ni bagai kaini belai khinu nangkok mani hane kaisa ongka infrastructure faculty day students abno kare bo Shaka Tripura National University tabuk tebo shukangai thangka abo belai khinu khatong mani kok khani Shaka Chief Justice.
Today, as I stand here in front of you, I feel a sense of pride that NLU Tripura has kicked off in such a grand fashion, and it's on the course of making a mark on its own. For any institution to grow and attain fame, there are two things which necessarily are required. One is the infrastructure, which is the hardware, and the second is the software, which is the teaching faculty, the students, and all others human resources associated with it. Today, we can proudly say that this NLU Tripura has a full-fledged teaching faculty. The first and the second batches of NLU Tripura are doing well. The semesters are going on time, and there has been full enrollment even in the second batch within such a short time of the inception of the university. The entire credit goes to all the stakeholders associated with this National Law University of Tripura. We are thankful to Honorable the Chief Minister and the team of senior officials of the Government of Tripura led by the Chief Secretary, Sri Jiten Srinaji, Mr. Gitte, Mr. Rawal, the engineers of the department. On their part, they have conceived and in fact are in the process of executing the whole vision of bringing NLU Tripura in the landscape, on the landscape of the entire country. And I'm sure in the very near future, in the days to come, NLU Tripura would shine at par with one of the best law universities of the country, whether it's in Bangalore or Delhi or anywhere else. And in this solemn task, I am grateful to my colleagues, Brother Justice Gaur, Justice Lodh, Justice Purkayas, Justice Palith, who have been all through very supportive and cooperative in this task, and especially the members of the governing body, the Learned Advocate General, all of whom have contributed to ensure that everything goes on smoothly and the NLU takes off very well.
সর্বজন শ্রদ্ধেয় মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তিনি and also to the Vice Chancellor of Tripura, Professor Dr. Yogesh Prabha.
Abahai kino arsalok kabang malono ti ring siringai tongnai student rokno faiman jangmani mokolok Khlaijakha. Raja Khora agoloni simi pranamni kokthum Chini Khorang.